Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system after Jupiter. The average radius of Saturn is about 9 times that of Earth. Saturn has the lovely set of seven main rings with spaces between them. Saturn is named for the Roman god of agriculture and wealth, a hint at the deep history and mythology embodied by the planet's name. The name Saturnus in Latin has an ancient history that is entwined with great traditions and etymological depth. It comes from the Latin phytonym Satureia and is related to saturare, to seed or fertilize. Saturn, along with Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune, are called gas giants. It is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, making it a gas giant. It has a strong magnetic field that is 1,000 times greater than the Earth's magnetic field. Saturn has 274 discovered moons. Saturn is most famous for its beautiful giant rings, which are made up of billions of ice chunks. A year on Saturn lasts 10,759 days, but a day is only 10 hours and 39 minutes because Saturn spins quickly. 1 year on Saturn is the same as 29 Earth years. This is what does Saturn look like. This is a picture of Saturn and its moons Tethys and Dione. Voyager 1 took this picture as it passed by. NASA's Cassini spacecraft went behind Saturn and took this picture in 2013. You can see seven of its moons and its inner rings in the background. You can also see Earth. This is an artist's concept of Cassini during the Saturn orbit insertion maneuver. The spacecraft is moving out of the plane of the page and to the right just after the main engine has begun firing. To reduce its spacecraft velocity with respect to Saturn and has just crossed the ring plane. Saturn is famous for its spectacular ring system, which is the most extensive and complex in the solar system. This is a portrait on Saturn and its rings. This picture was made from images taken by NASA's Cassini spacecraft in 2013. It was put together by amateur image processor and Cassini's fan Gordon Akarkovic. It has 274 confirmed moons in its orbit, far more than any other planet in our solar system. Some of the largest and most well-known moons of Saturn include Titan, Rhea, Iapetus, and Dione. These moons vary in size, composition, and surface features, providing valuable insights into the complex dynamics of Saturn's moon system. Four robotic spacecraft have visited Saturn, including Pioneer 11, Voyager 1 and 2, and Cassini. NASA's Pioneer 11, a sister spacecraft to Pioneer 10, was the first spacecraft to study Saturn up close. The mission ended in 1995, and Pioneer 11 is on a trajectory to take it out of the solar system. In 2025, Voyager 1 is located more than 23 billion kilometers from Earth, and Voyager 2 more than 19 billion kilometers, resulting in radio signal latency times of around 20 to 22 hours round trip. This distance creates several fundamental constraints.